Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Wang Jing. My research title is The Mediating Role of Mental Resilience in the Influence of Chinese Confucian Values on the Mental Health of Vocational College Students. Part 1. Formulation of Issue. In China, there was a special group of people. They were got professional training to become top-notch technical talents in the future and are really important in China's push for a modernization. We call them vocational college students campaigned with their 4 years undergraduates. They are younger, studying for a shorter time, and face a lot of pressure when it comes to finding jobs. Research shows that nearly 25% of vocational college students have a psychological problem. So we definitely can't ignore their mental health. Confucianism has been around in China for thousands of years, and it's like a solid base of our traditional culture. It has deeply shaped how we Chinese think, act, and get along with each other. Some studies have found that there was a significant negative correlation between the total score of Confucian values and the total score of SCL Latin. Also, mental resilience is super crucial when we deal with stress and try to keep our mental state in good shape. Mental resilience is closely tied to things like the support we get from society and our own personal values, which actually fit in well with Confucian value. Therefore, we presuppose that mental resilience can play a mediating role between Confucian values and the mental health of vocational college students. Part 2. Research Objective Questions. The research objective and questions of this study are centered around exploring the state of mental health, the level of mental resilience, the degree of practice of Confucian values among vocational college students in China. How Confucian values influence the mental health of vocational college students, and how mental resilience plays a mediating role between the two. Part 3. Research Design. The independent variable of this study will be Confucian values. The dependent variable will be mental health, and the mediating variable will be mental resilience. This study will adopt a mixed research method. In the first stage, a questionnaire survey will be conducted using quantitative research. A structural equation model will be constructed based on the analyzed results, and the mediating effects will be tested. In the second stage, using a quantitative analysis, appropriate samples from the questionnaires survey will be selected for semi-structured interviews. The interview will be called semestrically. The qualitative data will be analyzed, and the result of the study will be summarized and using to supplement the interpretation of the quantitative result. Part 4 population and sample. The population of this study will be students from all four higher vocational school in Yiyang City, Hunan Province, China. In the quantitative stage, stratified sampling will be used to stratify each school into freshman, sophomore, and junior, and in each stratum, two classes of students will be randomly selected with an estimated total sample of 1,200. Questionnaires will be distributed to the participants, and the result of the questionnaires will be analyzed as data. And in the qualitative stage, target sampling will be used to select a total sample of 5% of the target participants for the semantic analysis. And finally, the finding of the two research methods will be synthesized. Part 5 research instruments. The quantitative instrument to be used in this study will be the general health questionnaires, the mental resilience scale, and the Confucius 5 constant virtuous value scale. As the quantity, the qualitative instruments to be used in this study will be the semantic analysis method. Part 6 data analysis. In the quantitative analysis section, analytical methods such as common method, Bayes test, descriptive sta- statistics, mediation effect test, and structural equation modeling test will be used. And in the qualitative analysis section, semantic analysis will be used. This table shows the research questions with the corresponding statistical approach, and all 7 research questions will be well explained. Part 7 expected result. The expected result of this study will mainly have 3 aspects. First, it will help to get quantitative data about confucius values, mental resilience, and the mental health features of vocational college students, as well as details qualitative information. Second, it will try to build a theoretical model showing the relationship among confusion value, mental resilience, and the mental health of vocational college students, and to explain how mental resilience will work as a mediator in this. Third, it will aim to come up with a innovative, modern, and practical method for mental health education in college and university. They will be based on carrying forward confidential value and developing mental resilience. The above is all the content that intended to present. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.